Hey guys, it's Mike from RevoPower. I just wanted to showcase one of our newest products here. This is our series parallel switch box. So you can see here we've got two 18-volt solar panels. They're both 100 watt panels, and we've hooked them up to the input at the top of our switch box here, and there's one output. This switch box lets you switch between parallel and series connection, and I'll show you that right here. You can see the rotary switch is on parallel, and we're at 18 volts as you would expect. And when we switch that over to series, it goes to 38 volts. So again, 18, 38. So I'll connect our solar power meter here, and we can see what the difference is in the power. It is pretty cloudy today, but we'll go ahead and check what our power is here. Give that just a second to test. We got 29 watts. This is in series. Our selector is on series, and it's measuring 37.92 volts, 29 watts. So we'll go ahead and flip that over to parallel, and you can see it switched over to 18.8 volts. And we're at 23 watts. So in this particular location with this lighting, it's about a 6-watt difference. So this switch box allows you to toggle back and forth between parallel and series so that you can test the best combination for you.